The First District Court of Appeal in the state of Florida has ruled that our law prohibiting open carry is not valid. That's right. So effective September 25th, if you open carry a firearm in Florida in a public place, it's okay.
Florida is now the latest U.S. state to legalize open carry, following a court ruling that struck down its nearly 40-year ban. The decision comes amid rising political tensions intensified by the recent assassination of conservative activist Charlie Kirk. Until now, Florida was one of just 4 U.S. states, alongside California, Connecticut, and Illinois, that broadly banned open carry. With this ruling, it joins 38 states where visibly carrying firearms in public is allowed, either with or without a permit.
38 states have open carry. It's not something that's controversial. The sky hasn't fallen in any of those. You know, why not pass that out of the Florida House of Representatives? And I've said for years that that'd be something that I would sign.
But the ruling has sparked legal uncertainty. Law enforcement agencies and prosecutors are now grappling with how to interpret and enforce the change, especially in the absence of updated legislation.
We're not going to be enforcing violations of that law, given this new opinion, but that's going to have to be addressed, taken out of Florida statute, and an open carry law's got to be put back in place.
At Nitza shooting range in Davie, Florida, gun enthusiasts had mixed reactions.
I conceal carry. I've been concealed carrying for years, and my issue with that is, I think it keeps everyone feeling less aggressive when it's concealed. I think putting it on your hip or exposing it makes it a little bit more, I'd say a little bit more hostile feeling, I guess, for some people. People who aren't gun people are going to be a little bit nervous when they see someone out and about with a gun on their hip.
I don't like it.
Why?
Because there's too many young dudes, man, that's still out here in these streets, and I think it's going to be bad for people, man. It just ain't going to look good. I think it should stay concealed.
While supporters see this as a constitutional victory, research suggests that states with open carry laws tend to see higher rates of firearm suicide. The increased access appears to be a contributing factor. Law enforcement officials emphasize that private property owners still retain the right to prohibit firearms on their premises.
I do want to remind and inform our citizens that the rights of private property owners give them the ability to stop someone from open carrying a firearm on their premises, and that we as citizens should always respect their rights as property owners.
Advocacy groups like Voices of Florida are petitioning the Attorney General, calling the shift reckless and dangerous, and warning of potential impacts on public safety and tourism.
As with all rights, guarantees, and privileges, there comes a responsibility. So my ask to you as sheriff is that you help protect the right to now openly carry a firearm in the state of Florida by being responsible and safe.
The new law takes effect Thursday, but with enforcement guidelines still unclear, lawmakers are expected to revisit the issue when the Florida legislature reconvenes in January. Nitza, Soledad, Perez, CGTN, Miami.